Namaskar to all of you. So in this video basically I'll be telling you about the interview batches for Odisha Civil Service 2019 exam. So the results of Odisha Civil Service 2019 mains exam is expected soon, like within 1 month we will be getting the results. Okay, but anyway, those who have scored or performed well in the exam, or those who are even preparing for the next year, so certain basic things you need to prepare beforehand, because once the results come out, mains result comes out, the time for preparation for interview will be very less, let's say 20 days or something like that, and in that you have to cover your entire biodata form, your optionals and current affairs. Okay, it will be a too big a ask, okay, in 15-20 days. So what basically you can do is you can start preparing those parts which you have to prepare by yourself. Okay, that is mainly your biodata, complete biodata, and current affairs, and also your optionals. Okay, you have to be in touch with your optionals, which is also going to help you in the if you are going to give the next mains and all. Okay, so we are starting a early interview batch where open videos will be given, and you can go through and brush up with your preparation. And once the results are out, we will be having the mock interviews in full swing. Okay, so this is basically early announcement for the theory classes, which will be all open, and anyone can access them. And once the results are out, we will be having some specific classes, okay, which I will inform you at that time. So most of the things already in previous years I have given various videos on how to prepare for the interview, Odisha Civil Service interview. So I'll just repeat those things, and certain changes which have been brought in the procedure by the OPSC, one by one, and one by one videos we will be seeing that. Okay, so the thing is, you go through these videos, you prepare your the material and the biodata, your domain related questions, optional related questions, current affairs, especially with an eye on your district and Odisha. Okay, so this we will be starting from March 11, that is on the auspicious occasion of Mahashivaratri. Okay, and the mock interviews will start from Monday, that is 15th, okay, 15th of March. Okay, so 15th of March we'll be starting the mock interviews. This mock interview, this is early, so this will be restricted to the classroom students of our own classes and the answer writing batch students. Okay, so you can take your time and you can come and give the mock interviews. Others, you can prepare well now. Okay, how you will prepare and what all aspects you need to cover, that we will be discussing in the open videos. Once the results are out, then we can have the mock interviews for you all. Okay, so this will be starting from Monday 15th of March. Okay, for the classroom and the answer writing batch students, right? Let me tell you some of the features of the interview batches at Arohan for Odisha Civil Services. So basically we have two batches. One batch is a kind of open batch, okay, which consists of two interviews and access to all the open videos. Open videos means in the interview 2019 playlist, okay, you will find that there are many videos which are openly accessible to all. They will contain the theory material and all. So two interviews. Out of these two interviews, you will get one interview as an internal interview and one as a panel interview. Okay, so the course fee for this is free of charges. Okay, you need not pay anything. Okay, but the only thing is that you must be selected for the Viva. Okay, this is after the result will be starting. Second batch, that is the 10 interview batch, which is basically the paid batch also. So here basically what you will get, you get 8 internal interviews and 2 panel interviews of 2 different boards. Okay, so even in these internal interviews we have divided. Okay, so the first interview will be a overall interview in order to know, you know, what are your strengths and weaknesses. We call that ice breaking interview. Means the introduction or the starting. Then we come to your biodata based interview. So whatever you have given in your biodata, second interview will be based on that. Third, optional one, section A. So we give a lot of importance to your optionals, okay, because a lot of questions can come from that. Fourth interview also optional one, section B. So for optionals we have 4 interviews. Similarly, interview 5, your second optional, section A, and 6 optional 2, section B. So this is the entire for the optional. Then interview number 7, overall final interview. Okay, interview number 8, 9 and 10 will be all stress interviews. Stress interview is the most difficult form of interview which you are going to face. Okay, so once you are through with the stress interviews, then you know you can face any kind of interview, right? So this is the 10 interviews, and this batch, and also here depending on your biodata, we give you certain personalized set of questions. Okay, depending on your profile, what are the questions that can be asked and how you should answer it. So this is a paid batch. The course fee is rupees 5,000. Okay, we are not taking any admissions now. This is only after the results come out, then only you will be having. And this is included in the class for the classroom students, e-learning students, and for the answer writing batch students. Okay, for those students, they are already automatically enrolled in this second batch. Okay, so this is basically the structure of the classes that we will be having. Okay, and for the time being, whatever theory classes you will have on YouTube, that those would be open to all. Okay, that would be free of cost, open to all, everyone can see it. Okay, so you start preparation now, because at that time it will be very difficult, okay, to finish all the everything. So keep in touch with your optionals, that will also help you in your mains of this year. And also keep in touch with, because general current affairs, most of you would be abreast of that. So local current affairs or state level current affairs. Okay, what is happening in the state and what problems are there and what controversies are there, what are the reasons and all those things also you can see. Okay, so again, for the classroom students, those who have written the main in 2019, and for the answer writing batch students, for the e-learning students, those who have written and would like to give the interview, okay, you can schedule it from March 15th it is starting. Okay, and you can also schedule it online through Zoom. Okay, last year also we did that. Suppose you are staying outside and it is difficult for you to come to Bhubaneswar, so you have classroom interviews and you have online interviews also, okay, through Zoom. So previous year toppers interviews, you can go through, lot of interviews are there, okay, especially you can see from 2016, 2017 and 2018, okay, the interview of the rank 1 in all these 3 years in a kind of a hat trick. Okay, 2016 Chinmay Chetna Das, she was a test series student and interview batch student. 2017 Ayushi, she was basically interview batch student, and 2018 Debashish, he was also interview batch student. Okay, so you can go through the interviews and interviews of other top 10 and all those who have been selected. Okay, so there are certain things on which we do not compromise in our interview batch. First is the timing of the interview. You will see that most interviews are 30 minutes. Okay, there are some interviews which go much beyond that. Okay, one of my favorites is I guess it was 2016 rank 8 Abhishek. Okay, his interview was a 1 hour interview, right? So minimum is 30 minutes. You will never find a 5-minute, 10-minute interview with Arohan, especially in the civil service batch. Okay, so minimum time of interview would be 30 minutes and it would be a comprehensive interview in which we will be checking all the domains. Okay, and another thing about the interviews at our own classes is that, you know, we have a particular algorithm, open source algorithm, okay, which takes into consideration a lot of inputs or a lot of variables and finally gives a mark out of 10, okay, which tells you which areas you have to improve. Okay, it's an open source algorithm which has been developed by American University. Okay, so that we use that technology and it really helps you because lot of variables or lot of inputs are given to it. For example, the camera which we use, okay, the facial your facial characteristics, right? So there are some people who will smile and speak, so in that case this will be a little bit better. There are some people who will be very serious, in that case this will be a little bit less. Some people will have hand movement, okay, so again it will be a little bit less. Okay, style of speaking, pace of speaking, these are normal things, which we can manually make out, human being can make out, but using this particular open source software, okay, the thing is that we get a good score out of 10. Okay, and that score, once it starts improving, we know that the candidate is making some good improvement. So anyway, that during the interviews, both in the online interview also we use this algorithm, in the offline interview or the classroom interview also we use this algorithm. Okay, so I wish you all the best, those who are expecting the results, those who are waiting for the results. Okay, so the open classes or the open theory classes will start from March 11th and the classroom and online interviews, mock interviews will start from March 15th. Okay, I wish you all the best. Thank you. Namaskar.